Bees are remarkable creatures. They are the unsung heroes of our planet, working tirelessly to ensure the survival of countless plant species and, ultimately, our own. Imagine a world without the vibrant colors of wildflowers, or the sweet taste of fruits like apples and strawberries. This is the world we risk creating if we don't protect these vital pollinators. Bees play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. They are responsible for pollinating a vast majority of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts that we consume. Without bees, our diets would be severely limited, and the consequences for global food security would be dire. Their importance cannot be overstated. But bees are facing a multitude of threats, from habitat loss and pesticide use to climate change and disease. Their populations are declining at alarming rates, sounding alarm bells for the future of our planet. It is our responsibility to understand the vital role bees play and take action to protect them. The life cycle of a bee is a fascinating journey of transformation and community. From a tiny egg to a busy worker, each stage is a testament to the intricate workings of nature. The life of a bee begins with the queen, the mother of the hive, who lays thousands of eggs, each one holding the potential for a new life. These eggs, tiny and white, are carefully placed in hexagonal cells within the hive. The eggs hatch into larvae, small white grubs that are entirely dependent on the worker bees for food and care. The larvae grow rapidly, shedding their skin several times as they increase in size. As the larva matures, it enters the pupal stage, a time of significant transformation. Encased in a silken cocoon, the pupa undergoes a metamorphosis, its body developing into the familiar form of an adult bee. Finally, the adult bee emerges from its pupal casing, ready to take on its role within the hive. The life of a bee begins with a tiny, pearly white egg, no bigger than a grain of rice. This minuscule egg is the starting point of a complex and fascinating journey that will see it transform through several stages. These eggs are carefully deposited by the queen bee in individual hexagonal cells within the honeycomb. The queen bee's role is crucial, as she is the sole egg layer in the hive, ensuring the colony's continuity. Each cell is meticulously cleaned and prepared by worker bees, ensuring a safe and nurturing environment for the developing egg. The worker bee's dedication to cleanliness is vital for the health of the hive. The queen bee, the only female in the hive capable of laying eggs, can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day during peak season. This incredible feat of productivity is essential for maintaining the hive's population. These eggs represent the future of the hive, each one holding the potential for a new worker bee, a drone, or even a future queen. The destiny of each egg is determined by its environment and care. The fate of the egg depends on the type of cell it is laid in and the diet it is fed. Worker bees play a crucial role in feeding the larvae, providing them with the necessary nutrients to grow. Fertilized eggs laid in larger cells and fed a special diet of royal jelly will develop into queen bees, the future leaders of the hive, while unfertilized eggs laid in smaller cells will become drones. Drones have a specific role in the hive, primarily to mate with a queen from another colony. The vast majority of eggs, however, are destined to become worker bees, the tireless laborers of the hive. These worker bees are essential for the hive's survival, performing various tasks from foraging to maintaining the hive. After about 3 days, the egg hatches and a small white larva emerges. This marks the beginning of an incredible transformation. The larva has no legs or wings and resembles a tiny grub. It may look simple, but it has a crucial role to play in the hive. Its primary function is to eat and grow it does. The larva consumes vast amounts of food to fuel its rapid development. The larva is fed a rich diet of pollen and honey by the worker bees, and it grows rapidly, shedding its skin several times as it increases in size. Each shedding marks a significant growth milestone. The worker bees tend to the larvae constantly, ensuring they are well fed and their cells are kept clean. This meticulous care is essential for the larva's health and development. This period of intense care and nourishment is critical for the larva's development, as it prepares to transition into the next stage of its life cycle, the pupa. The nurturing environment provided by the worker bees is vital. The larval stage lasts for about 6 days, and during this time, the larva will have grown to almost 1,500 times its original size. This rapid growth is astonishing. Imagine a human baby growing to the size of a car in just 6 days. Such a comparison highlights the extraordinary nature of the larva's development. This phenomenal growth rate is a testament to the nourishing power of the bee's diet and the constant care provided by the worker bees. The dedication of the worker bees ensures the future of the hive. The transformation, the pupal stage. After approximately 6 days, the larva undergoes a remarkable transformation. It spins a silken cocoon around itself and enters the pupal stage. Inside the cocoon, hidden from view, the larva's body undergoes a complete metamorphosis. During this stage, which can last for around 2 weeks, the larva develops legs, wings, eyes, and all the other features of an adult bee. The once helpless grub is slowly but surely transforming into a highly skilled flying insect capable of complex tasks and social interactions. The worker bees seal the larva's cell with a porous wax capping, allowing air to circulate while protecting the pupa inside. This capping marks the final stage of the bee's development before it emerges as a fully formed adult, ready to join the hive and contribute to the intricate workings of the colony. The adult bee, a world of roles. The moment of truth arrives when the adult bee, fully formed and ready to contribute, chews its way out of the cell. This is a critical transition, marking the beginning of its active life within the hive. The newly emerged bee, known as an imago, is soft and pale, but it quickly hardens and darkens as it joins the ranks of its fellow bees. This transformation is essential for the bee to take on its new responsibilities. Within the hive, there are 3 types of adult bees, each with a specific role to play: the queen bee, the worker bees, and the drones. Each type is crucial for the survival and efficiency of the hive. The queen bee is the only female that can lay eggs, and her sole purpose is to ensure the continuation of the hive. She is constantly attended by worker bees who feed and groom her. The worker bees, all sterile females, are responsible for almost every other task within the hive, from cleaning and building to foraging for food and defending the colony. Their versatility and dedication are what keep the hive functioning smoothly. Their lives are short but incredibly productive, dedicated entirely to the well-being of the hive. Every action they take is for the collective good of their community. The drones, male bees, have only one purpose: to mate with the queen bee. This singular focus defines their existence within the hive. They are larger than worker bees but lack a stinger and do not participate in foraging or hive maintenance. Their physical differences are adaptations for their reproductive role. Their lives are short and solely focused on reproduction. Once they have fulfilled their purpose, they are often expelled from the hive. The guardians of our food chain. Bees are essential pollinators, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems and ensuring the survival of countless plant species, including many that we rely on for food. As they flit from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen, bees inadvertently transfer pollen grains, enabling plants to reproduce. It is estimated that bees pollinate approximately 1/3 of the food we eat, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Without bees, our supermarkets would have significantly fewer choices, and our diets would be severely lacking in essential nutrients. The economic impact of bees on global agriculture is staggering, estimated to be worth hundreds of billions of dollars annually. They are essential for the production of coffee, chocolate, almonds, and countless other crops. Their importance to our global food system cannot be overstated. Our turn to protect, saving the bees. The decline in bee populations is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the impact human activities have on the natural world. Habitat loss due to urbanization and intensive agriculture, pesticide use, climate change, and the spread of diseases are all contributing factors to the decline of these crucial pollinators. The good news is that there are many things we can do to help protect bees. Planting bee-friendly gardens with a variety of flowering plants, providing bees with water sources, avoiding the use of pesticides, and supporting local beekeepers are all simple yet effective ways to make a difference. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of bees and the threats they face is crucial. By raising awareness and inspiring action, we can create a brighter future for these vital creatures and ensure the health of our planet for generations to come. A world without bees, a bleak future. Imagine a world without the gentle hum of bees. A world where wildflowers struggle to bloom and supermarket shelves are bare of many of the fruits and vegetables we take for granted. This is the bleak future we face if we fail to protect these vital pollinators. The decline of bee populations is a stark warning sign, a reminder that we are inextricably linked to the natural world and that our actions have far-reaching consequences. It is a call to action, urging us to rethink our relationship with nature and adopt more sustainable practices. The future of bees, and indeed our own, depends on the choices we make today. By embracing our role as stewards of the planet and working together to protect these vital creatures, we can ensure a brighter, more sustainable future for all. The time to act is now.